Oops. I dropped it. Well, welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of being a chef, because I'm not done. So, if you didn't see the last video, well, we were here, with this guy that wanted to secretly propose to someone, and we were gonna put this music right here. There we go. Now we just hit this. Oh wait, I gotta play it.
What's this, my dear? My sandwich feels much heavier than usual.
How?
That's interesting. I wonder if there's something different inside?
What do you mean?
You're not even touching it.
What's this?
My sweet,
Emotion.
will you
Enter a legally binding partnership.
I emotion you. Now I know
Of course.
how to tell someone I emotion you.
Oh, wow. The answer was affirmative. The answer was
Oh, I can
affirmative.
grab this. Whee. Oh, give me this. Okay. I emotion you.
Well, the kids are all finished with their pizza and now they're ready for cake. We do get a free birthday cake, right?
Oh, how do I make cake? I want to make cake.
Can't argue with
For me,
that.
though, not for
Children-run
you.
Restaurants were morally obligated to provide free cake on children's birthdays. Good thing we have a microwave that can quickly mutate ingredients into food.
Free cake? Okay. So here's how it's gonna go. We'll grab an egg. We'll grab a flour. I don't think we need the eggshell. Did I eat that eggshell? Oh god. Cake. Topping for cake. Get this out of here. Doesn't cake require milk? Or robots, doesn't matter. I guess you put... No, what is this? I can't even... Oh, there it is. Sherry. Sherry cake. Oh, apple cake. Wow. Can I eat it? Aw. Man. I did... This touched the bell. No. Wait, where's the
Okay,
flamethrower?
kids, let's
No,
get
what is this?
going.
The fire be gone. Oh.
Hey boss, that party left a huge pile of dirty dishes. We're gonna need your help to get through these. They're
What?
pretty nasty, so make sure you use a good squirt of soap.
What? No, I make the food. I don't clean the dishes. Sink. Oh my god. I don't remember putting something purple on my food before. So, how do I clean them? With soap? Ah!
Well,
Oops.
that's okay. We'll just take it out of your paycheck.
Okay, whatever you say. Can I... okay. We just do this. Well, that's an easy way to clean dishes. Just put them next to the water and the soap at the same time. Don't break it.
Great, thanks for your help.
I just don't want to do that again. I want to cook.
You there? I need your help.
Can I
The
grab
health
that?
inspector's on his way over, and I don't think we're gonna pass inspection. You need to clean this place up. Now make it safe and sanitary.
What the hell? What do you want me to
Start by
clean?
destroying all this old fruit. Ugh.
Where? What even? How do I destroy it? I don't want to eat it. Oh, what is this? Blender? Oh, I know exactly what to do. So, here's how you get rid of food. You put it in, we need the sink. Sink, I said sink, I didn't say microwave. You grab this, you grab water, and you put it in here, like this. Then, you make, you put this in here. Then you make some soup out of the old food. Disgusting. You make a soup out of this. And then, smells horrible.
Okay,
And then you
that's
get
one
this
thing taken
moldy
care of.
apple,
How about those sprinklers? See that little thing up on the
moldy-
ceiling? Try chucking something at it. See what happens.
Don't interrupt me while I'm talking. Moldy orange. You get all this moldy stuff. Then you go to the blender. You put it in here. Then you do that. Then you put it on bread. And when you put it on bread, the way you get rid of it, you throw it to the fish, and the fish eat it. Oh no, I dropped it in the floor. Nobody will notice. What am I gonna do? That.
I guess it's not working. Oh well,
That
what are the
works.
chances of there being a fire in here anyway? Now we need to deal with any potential insect problems.
How
Look
do-
around and see if
how do
can
you
find
get
anything.
here?
Yikes, that's not good. You need to do something about these guys. Get
Ah,
rid of them
they're
quick.
cute. What is this? I don't know how these things are called in real life. But in this game, they're actually really cute. So how to get rid of them? You make a soup out of them and then you blend it. As you would normally do. Like, who doesn't get rid of stuff like making it into a soup and then blending it? Right? Oops, I broke something. So first, you put this things here. Hey, I'm not done. Put that soup there.
Well, I guess that'll have to do. Here comes the health inspector.
Cockroach, cockroach, and cockroach soup.
Stop what you're doing. It's inspection time.
Hey, I'm not done, and you don't interrupt. So then, you take this, and, that's not the blender. And, what do you want?
That's questionable.
You put it here, maybe you put anything you want to get rid of too? Shut up, man, I'm talking. Then you blend it.
And it looks like you
What do you want?
this time.
Go away, yeah. Stop talking to me. And then you put it on
That
bread,
was a close one. But now we can get back to
and then you
business.
give it to the fish. Now that's how you get rid of stuff. Whew.
Hey, Chef. There's a bot here to film an episode of some TV show with you?
TV show?
They say it was already booked ahead of time, so... Well, just do whatever they say.
Are the fish robot as well? Or are they paper?
Hey, human! I'm TV Bot. We're doing a show on how these organic nutrient packs are made. So I just need to record some footage of you going through the various steps, okay?
Yeah.
First step is to blend up this protein pill.
Why?
Let's get a shot of you doing that.
Oh my guys. Guys, I can't believe it. I'm gonna be in an actual TV show. Definitely not a video game. It's legit. Can I eat this? Ugh. Where's my mouth? Up here? Okay. I don't think I can eat this. Wow, did you see that?
Okay, great, that was good. Now let's get a shot of you putting this flavor packet in the microwave.
What? That's weird. I don't know what a flavor packet is.
All right.
I didn't even-
It's in there. Close the door
Oh.
and let me get a shot of the microwave or run. All right.
What?
Everybody's following along at home.
I
We
can
got
make
our
Minecraft
beautiful.
out
Now
of-
just pour that blended protein fluid onto the cube, and we are done.
It's just, oh, what I did. I don't know, I could make Minecraft out of whatever that was. Oh, yeah.
Hey, great job, human. Really appreciate it. Oh, one more thing. Can I get a shot of you eating it? Just act like it's real delicious, alright?
It's really good. It's delicious.
Hey, thank you so much, human. This is some great footage. This episode's gonna be fantastic.
I'm gonna be famous.
Hey, human, check this out.
Is that a Slim
I
Jim?
found this rare Turbo Ghost Death Nova pepper. Can you prepare it for me? I like it H-O-T. Come on, put some heat into it.
Okay, I guess this is how you heat stuff.
Come on, that's not hot enough. Can't you do something else?
Did microwave's pretty hot. Not... Actually, the toaster could be hot as well. Fine, you want the microwave power? You'll get the microwave power.
Yeah, I guess that'll have to do. Give it here.
Ooh. Okay. Bam! And he's not gonna eat it, like all the other robots.
Hey, Chef, we got 3 bots out here who ordered the special. Not sure what that means, but that's
What's
what
the
they want.
special?
Ordering the special means placing your trust in the chef. Just give those bots anything. Be creative.
Oh, okay. So, here's what we're gonna do. We can make anything. I actually have no clue what to make. I got the best idea. Okay. We're gonna get cooked cookies here. Cook those cookies, well done. Ooh, Then what we're gonna do? We're gonna grab some of this vintage thing, whatever. Then we're gonna grab some some cherries as well. Some spicy, you know, we want to spice things up a little bit. Hey. Oh, we gotta get the tea as well. Oh, the lemon too. Some milk. Yep. Oh, you cannot forget about the apple. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the blender. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna... Bam. Come on, be careful. Okay, bam. Then we blend that all here. Yeah, on a cup. Then we add some of this in here. Then we add some of this here too. Yeah. You don't want to add too much, but you're just gonna add a little spicy here, just like that. When you do that, you're gonna place it right here. Then you're gonna heat it up. Then we're gonna make tea there. We're gonna put...
That looks interesting. Send it on to
Then
the
we're
customer.
gonna go to the sandwich. No, where's my cookies?